So today we are making this very yummy, creamy, tasty chicken sandwich. It's very easy to make and it's super fast. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing I want to get ready is my chicken. So you can use pre-cooked chicken to make this. So I didn't have any pre-cooked chicken, so that's why I'm cooking my chicken first. So into my pan, I just heated up some oil, add in my chicken. So I'm using minced chicken here, so just spread it out. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get notified when I drop a new video. You can as well click on the like button and share this delicious, very easy chicken sandwich. You're going to enjoy it, I promise you. So once you spread your chicken and it has changed color, then you just season it up. I just season it with my favorite spices, so you can use the ones that you like, your favorite spices that you love to use in your cooking. So these are mine. So just cook this chicken until it is well cooked. So chicken breast or boneless chicken doesn't take so much time in cooking, so like in 2 or 3 or 4 minutes highest you are done cooking it. Just keep stirring at interval in order for it not to brown up, or in order for it not to burn. So just keep stirring at interval. I'm not going to allow this to brown out, so I'm just going to cook it until I know it is well cooked.
They make my body shake. The rest of the cook now correct vibe. Her food fit make person subscribe. Every spoon they bust your brain. The rest of the cook again and again.
So what I'm going for, my chicken, I want it to be cooked, but I don't want it to be brown. So I don't want it to be a bit crunchy. I just want it to be cooked, like properly cooked. So that's why I said you can use pre-cooked chicken. You can just boil your chicken, or you can just do this method. So whichever one is fine. So the next thing I'm prepping for is my vegetables. I have some green and red bell peppers, so I just chop them finely. So you can tweak this recipe into whichever form. You can add more vegetables, you can skip the vegetables, or whatever one you're going with, it is fine. So the next thing I just cut is some chili pepper, so just chop that nicely as well. So the next thing I'm prepping for is my tomato. So when I'm just doing the voiceover, I just said that I ate almost half of my tomato as I've gotten it. Okay, so the next thing I'm prepping for is my onion. So just cut your onion finely and also add in just some garlic. So heat up some oil and then add in your onion and garlic. So saute these for like 5 to 10 seconds until the onion is soft.
Kitchen to worldwide screen. Now Teresa they run this foodie scene. Fried fish they crisp, chicken.
So add in here your tomato and your pepper. So like I said, I made use of chili pepper, so you can decide to go with pepper that is a bit hot, because chili pepper is not usually hot. The hotness is very mild, so you can decide to go with pepper that is hotter than the chili pepper. So just cook this for like a minute and that's it. So then add in here your spices. Like I said, you can use your favorite spices, or you can just as well use the spices I use in making this chicken sandwich. Is super yummy and it's very quick to make. You can make this breakfast for yourself, for the children, just a very quick one. It doesn't take so much time, like in 5 minutes I promise you were done with it. So just add in there your bell peppers, that's the red and the green. So you can decide to add more colors of bell peppers that you have, or you can just add one, whichever one, it is fine. So just mix up everything together. Add in your cooked chicken and mix everything. Just cook this for like 2 minutes and your delicious sauce is ready.
Oil they hot, onions they fry, tomato they bubble, pepper they high. She they chop and mix with style. One taste go make you smile. Garlic, ginger, everything nice.
So our chicken is ready. So the next thing I want to do is to make my creamy sauce. So into the bowl, I just added some mayonnaise. So you can decide to use salad cream as well. So I also add in some ketchup. You can add sweet chili sauce, but I just found that I didn't have sweet chili sauce, so I just went with only ketchup. Then add in your chicken sauce to mix up everything together. This is so creamy and super delicious. You have to try at this. I promise you, you are going to love it. So you can decide as well to add avocado. Recently I just started eating avocado, and I'm gonna tell you, I really love it right now. So I was missing out on a lot. So just add in your avocado. So just mix up everything together until it is well mixed. You know that this is super creamy, and it's going to taste so delicious. You can taste for salt. If there's no salt in it, you can even add some lemon juice as well, but I didn't go with that, but I'm telling you, you can go with that, and it's going to be super yummy. So I'm just going to add that into my bread. So I have different type of bread recipes. So this bread is one of my bread recipe, so you can check it out and make your own delicious homemade bread at home. So this sliced bread you are seeing, I made it, so you can try out my bread recipe. So I will drop in some of the link in the description box below. You to go and check out different type of bread for you to make at home. So just spread with some butter and move to the next process. So the next thing you want to do is just to heat up your grill pan, or you can use whichever pan, your normal frying pan, or you can even use your toaster to do this. Just add your bread in there, and then you also want to spread the butter on the top of this, and just cook this for 2 minutes. For one side is 1 minute and the other side is 1 minute, or let me say 30 seconds, and this will be ready. It's super yummy, and it's very easy to make. I promise you, you're going to love this recipe. It's super yummy and it's very fast, easy, quick breakfast that is yummy and is filling as well.
It's electric, no stopping the vibe. In Teresa's kitchen, it's a ride of high tides. Oh, the aroma, it's a feast for the soul. Teresa's in the groove, hearts taking control, shaking up the rest.
I would advise that you cook this on low heat so that you don't end up with burnt bread. So in like 2 minutes or less than that, everything is ready. It looks super delicious. It's so yummy, it's very creamy, and it's very tasty. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, share. I would love to hear from you. So bye for now. See you on the other flip side. Love of kisses.